Hey, this is Dave Hooke with Keller Williams of Central PA and the Dave Hooke Real Estate Team out of South Central Pennsylvania. On today's video blog, we're going to answer the question, what are the 5 hidden costs of home ownership? Stick around to find out. All right, on today's video blog, we're going to answer the question, what are the 5 hidden costs of home ownership? Number 1, closing costs. Often when you're thinking about your home purchase journey, you think about down payment, but you forget about the transactional costs. Good news is you shouldn't pay much to a buyer's agent. You're entitled to that service in the state of Pennsylvania, and typically they get most of their commission paid by the listing agent. The reality is there's a lot of other transactional closing costs, such as transfer tax, property tax escrows, and lender fees and appraisal fees and title insurance and all of those things. So make sure that you add that up and get a good faith estimate of your closing costs before you make the purchase. Number 2, furniture. We always forget that emergency fund that when we move into a house, we're gonna need to furnish it, and that stuff really adds up. So unless you're getting furniture donated from a family member or friend, make sure you calculate that into your home purchase journey. Number 3 is ongoing maintenance. Remember again to have an additional emergency fund, because even though your home inspection may have turned out great, your roof looks good, your furnace looks good, your water heater looks good, it will only look good for a certain period of time. That stuff has a useful life. You want to make sure that you put money aside every month so that you can reinvest in your property as things go wrong. Number 4, taxes and insurance. We talked a little bit about it at the beginning. We have school and county property taxes, and you have property insurance, fire insurance, hazard insurance that you need to calculate into your closing costs and your ongoing annual fees to own the home. And number 5, of course, your property utilities. It's a really good idea to get a copy of those from the previous owner so you can factor in an estimate as to what your heating, electricity, and water, sewer, and other utilities are going to cost you through your home ownership experience. So those are the 5 hidden costs of home ownership. If you can think of anything else or have any questions about those, don't hesitate to reach out the information below, and one of our team members will follow up and take great care of you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.